basically make the army truck on Lego Designer. Right. You'd have to add those if you don't wanna. I think Lego Design is a really good software because you can like create whatever you want and buy it. This costs £21.97 when it's finished. You can pause this at any time. There we go. I think it's a really good truck because when you buy it, it's like you can carry loads of Lego people. Okay, here we are, the lights. It's quite big as well. I have not yet bought it, but I'll buy it soon. Then I'll do a review on it when I get it. The exhaust, the wheels. I always have like the wheels sticking out to make it look really cool. And there you go. The army truck. You can colour it, don't forget. And it can carry up to 7 troops. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.